Land your dream internship at Infosys by crafting a killer resume that grabs their attention and shows you're the perfect fit. First, let's nail the format. Keep it clean, concise, and easy to read. Use a clear font like Arial or Calibri, a font size between 10 and 12, and consistent formatting throughout. Your goal is to make it visually appealing, so use headings and bullet points. Start with your contact information: name, phone number, professional email address, and LinkedIn profile URL. Next, spotlight your education. Include your degree, university name, graduation date, and GPA. If it's impressive, then we have the section that really wins: skills. List relevant technical skills like programming languages, software proficiency, and any specialized knowledge. Tailor these skills to match what Infosys seeks, taking note of internship requirements. Now, move on to your experience. This is where you showcase your achievements. Even if it's not a professional role, include any internships, projects, or extracurricular activities. Describe your responsibilities and quantify your accomplishments. Use action verbs to highlight your contributions and the positive impact you made, and show this with short but detailed descriptions. Highlight projects you have completed and add quantifiable results. For instance, instead of saying assisted in website development, say improved website loading speed by 15% through code optimization. This shows you understand the value of data. Lastly, consider including a projects section, showcasing independent or academic projects, highlighting your problem-solving skills and technical abilities. This will show the employer the skills and knowledge you possess. Tailor your resume for the specific internship by looking over the internship requirements and matching them, and incorporating the keywords. Remember, your resume is your marketing tool. Proofread carefully and make sure there are no errors. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to crafting a resume that will help you secure your Infosys internship. Good luck and happy applying.